It's an honor and privilege to be here, Jen. And I knew that there would be several speakers that would probably walk through all of your accolades and all of the tremendous accomplishments you had. And I said, well, I'm in on this as long as I can share some thoughts that may not just be highlighting your greatest achievements. Hey, this is a weird setting in that I guess the analogy I would draw is that she's like a professional athlete that's near the end of their 30s or early 40s and is done with that career, but you know that they're going to be setting off on another tremendous career. It doesn't feel right for you to be leaving the court. You put in your time, you've done everything you could do, selfless service that frankly only a couple of you in this room will really understand. You know, we all love you and we wish you well. You know, the court is a big family, a big dysfunctional family. And yet there are folks within that family that you come to rely on and trust and really feel a terrific sense of common purpose and serving with. And my personal feelings about how Jen has contributed to the court, I hold her in the highest esteem. There was never anything that I did or anything that I saw her do that I thought was anything but stellar. There were some weird things. I mean, I remember her talking about some other things, and she'd be all of a sudden discussing how she was hanging from a tree, doing some sort of athletic event in the morning before work or something, running tires around a field or something. But she's tough and hardworking. The things that she did for the court in the 4 years that she dedicated as chief judge were really amazing. The type of things that will probably keep her up at night sometimes. Not just things like legislative committee and pay commission and being presiding judge of the criminal division, but having to deal with just the day-to-day personnel stuff that 800 folks and 50 lawyers who are judges who are not perfect make you manage. And so you know, personally I want to thank her for letting me take meetings every Monday morning at 6:30 in the morning for 2.5 years. That was nice, but you know, it was her leadership that really shepherded this court from being the small court I started working in about 25, 30 years ago and being a model court. Everything from coming off not only the size and the innovations that we made, but also in making sure that we were accountable. We are accountable to our community. It's a very important thing. I hope you enjoy your next challenges. We're going to miss you a ton, and it's been my extreme honor to serve with you. So, thank you, Jim.